Welcome to Shanghai, the land of neon skylines, drone deliveries, and bubble tea so good it should probably come with a warning label. We just landed, and the adventure begins immediately. Buckle up, because our first 48 hours here were pure chaos in the best way possible. Shanghai, baby. Of course, we rolled into our hotel and immediately realized Shanghai hotels don't play, even at very reasonable prices. The room is quaint, cute, and aggressively cozy.
Show me the room. Oh, wow.
Minna did the official jump on the bed test, like she's auditioning for a mattress commercial. It passed, so we're staying. The view of the Bund River, straight up chef's kiss. And there's a bridge right outside our hotel that takes you to the North Bund, which means Shanghai got 10 points for convenience before we even unpacked. We hit up a dinner spot called Nest. We loved it. Did we regret everything? Did Shanghai just outdine Toronto? Find out in this video, Toronto versus Shanghai, dating challenge. Yes, that war already started. At some point, Minna looks at the skyline, all lit up, and she asks the question of the century. Does adding lights to the building make a city futuristic? Or is it the robot and drone food deliveries that do it? Honestly, fair question. The Bund at night, it looks like the city hired the altered carbon set designer. We find this huge red statue called the Wind of the Bund, the indomitable spirit. A towering red spirit of something, apparently. It's what a gust of wind looks like after it had 3 espresso shots. Profoundly cultural, dramatic, and very heroic. Perfect time for a slow motion shot walking right past it. We wandered down past the Russian embassy near our hotel. Quiet, peaceful, cute. Also, extremely safe. Cameras everywhere. Shanghai said, "Not on my watch." The next morning, as we rolled out of bed, it's coffee time. We found a cafe called Sacro, because by international law, wannabe influencers must find the most aesthetically pleasing place to caffeinate. The coffee was good. The interior design was better. My soul said 70% Arabica, 30% tasteful minimalist decor. It's one of those cafes where you instantly feel like you should be more productive than you actually are. We felt smarter just by walking inside. We then took our artisanal coffees to the Canadian Embassy to file paperwork. We're trying to stay longer because yes, we are loving it that much. Adulting plus 100 points. Paperwork done, bubble tea secured.
What does it taste like?
I'm not sure. I thought it's green tea, but it's not green tea.
It's called golden tea.
I'm being very comfortable with your drink.
Yeah, you are. How's your drink?
Very sugary.
Your drink is really sugary?
Yeah. My drink is caramel. You can taste only caramel and milk.
Yeah.
We found a grilled cheese place that restored our faith in humanity. We ordered like we were preparing for winter. After brunch, we wandered into a mall for a small, travel-sized snack. Snickers, anyone?
A small snack. I'm thinking we do that, but I don't want to carry that all day on our trip.
It'll be fun.
We visited Jing'an Temple, which is older than literally every building in Canada, including Canada. Beautiful, peaceful, surrounded by vibes of awareness and connectedness. Hakuna Matata. Roll the warrior shots. Roll the incense shots. Roll the Buddha shots. Roll the, whoa, look at us being cultured shots. Full epic spiritual entertainment in next week's video, so be sure to 5-finger palm that bell to be notified. Dinner time, we found Nana Sushi, right near the Bund. Full super fun, super entertaining. The kind of place where you end up playing with your food because it's too pretty not to. Like, why does this Sushi have better transportation than most cities? The train arrived, dropped off our sushi, and left. Honestly, that's the most efficient breakup I've ever seen. The best part, the train doesn't ask for tips. North America could never. The train delivered our tempura faster than TTC delivers anything. If someone delivered my meals by train every day, I'd consider moving here permanently. At this point, the train is the third member of our marriage, and honestly, it's carrying its weight.
Send it off to the graveyard down here. Go 1, 2, 3. Got a little animation over here. Alright, let's see what you want. That's the national animal.
That's so cute. Oh my god, you can add it to the collection of my toys.
Then we hit Nanjing Pedestrian Road. Absolute madness. The crowd's unreal. The lights, retinal damage, but making it fun. Imagine Times Square, but with significantly less fear of being robbed. And on a sugar rush, that is. Stay tuned, this madness has its own video. The next morning, we slept in due to the madness that took place. So we grabbed brunch at Dugout. Comforting, familiar, delicious, and suspiciously like Toronto. Did we teleport home? We got this beautiful spread. I believe this dish is called artisanal toast of things. And this one is eggs Benedict so fancy you feel bad for eating it. It was delicious. We felt very homesick. We wandered the Bund again and seen a statue of a very important historical person. Do we know who it is? No. Did we pretend? Absolutely. Pretend this is Chen Yi, the first communist mayor of Shanghai. He's looking out over the Bund that he helped shape. I'm looking for my second cup of coffee. We all contribute in our own ways. We found Costa, and like any self-respecting foreigner in Asia, we traded a stimulus package for a cup of watered-down coffee beans and a dash of milk.
We're all checked out. Got our luggage.
But before we go to the next step, we need to guys tell you our opinion about the hotel.
Review time.
So for me, it was clean, service was good, it was fast to check in and check out. The hotel room was so beautiful, the AC was good, the view was perfect. Honestly, I will give it 10 over 10. Love it, and it's worth it for the price. Everything was good.
Yeah, location, very affordable. It's right on the water, like literally right on the water. 5 minutes, 2 minutes even. You can be on the water. You just got to go around the, I think it's a Russian consulate building, without even crossing the bridge. Be right on the water. On the, I think it's the north side of the Bund. You can be on the south side where a lot of people go, but you don't have to go there because the views are still just as good here on the north side. Amazing location, very downtown, right on the Bund, very affordable and everything like that. You know, I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10 just because I think yesterday's night, like throughout the day, it was like construction sounds, maintenance sounds. Again, they didn't do it during nighttime when you're sleeping, but the fact that like it's just annoying to hear banging and drilling right next to you. It was just annoying.
7 or 8?
Yeah, you'd wake up hearing it. You couldn't take a nap. You didn't want to be in your room just to cool off during the day because it's like 45 degrees here. Feels like it, even though it's reads 35. It gets really hot really quickly. So sometimes you just want to cool off and lie down after a long day of walking. And you just hear drilling, right? So other than that, pretty good.
Everything was good.
Yeah.
Maybe the only things, if I have to say something, it was yesterday night when we turned off the AC because it was very cold. I wanted to cool that, like make the
room cooler.
Yeah. And there was like bugs.
Yeah, the mosquitoes start showing up in the middle of crevices. We're like, did they open the windows? No, all windows were sealed. So that was a little annoying. It wasn't a lot, but like we just saw like 1, maybe 2, and we're like, ah.
Yeah, it was a bit, I hate mosquitoes, so it's not very sensitive. But once I turned on the AC again, it was gone.
Yeah, they went away. Another reason why I took a point away from them is there isn't a lot of amenities here. There isn't like a pool or a gym. They do have a restaurant, But you know, we like to go out in the city and eat rather than just eating at a hotel unless like we're really tired. But yeah, there isn't a lot of like stuff to do in terms of, you know, physical activity, gym or a swimming pool. So you just lose one point, but the location's amazing. Place is really clean, spacious. You know, they give you water, teas, coffee, you know, all that jazz, complimentary, of course. And prime location, can't complain. And it's beautifully decorated. So 8 out of 10, 10 out of 10, averages up to 9 out of 10. If you've been here, let me know what you would give it. If you do visit Shanghai, it's one of the places I would highly recommend if you want to find that middle ground between value and luxury. It's not too bad at all. But yeah, that wraps up this review.
We checked out of our hotel with full stomachs, full hearts, and a full SD card. Shanghai, we're obsessed. And this is continuing into many cities. We got Suzhou, Zhuozhuang, Guangzhou, Beijing, and so much more. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next episode, let's just say we're enshrining the House of Buddha on our 1,000-step path. Take the first step with us. 2 tickets all in, stay in that temple.